specifically, sir. Best of luck, kids. Any radio listeners out there?
Yeah, right here.
Alright, yeah, the radio rocks. Except if you're into like Led Zeppelin or Pink Floyd, you'd think that they wrote one album each. So for those of you who get sick of hearing the same shit on the radio every night, there's a tune for you. It's called Release the Dinosaurs, i.e. Get them out.